All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Please, if this is your first time of coming across to this YouTube channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this YouTube channel is that we teach you guys everything that concerns Jamb and admission. So, and at the end, we also help you guys to gain admission. Okay, if so I want to encourage you, if this is exactly what you want, if this is exactly what you have been looking for all this while, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You turn on all the bell notification because we also drop updates that concerns all schools updates. Okay, so you turn on all the bell notifications so that whenever I drop the amazing updates you want or the one you're looking for, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so if once you're one of our subscribers, believe me, you're not going to miss out with anything that has to do with your admission. Okay, so we also have a WhatsApp community where we do our online classes for our candidates. All right, so we do online classes for our candidates. Okay, so you if you can still become it is basically for our 2024 registered Utme candidates, but however you can become one of us. All right, so the only way you can become one of us is by messaging me or letting me know in the comment section that you want to become one of us or you want to become one of our member. I will write there to give you my WhatsApp number, then you chat me on WhatsApp. After getting to know you, we have to add you up on the platform. All right, so that is basically how we do it. Okay, so and there in our platform we also give post-UTME past questions for free. Okay, so and our 2024 classes for post-UTME is starting this May 31st. Okay, so we're starting May 31st, which is this coming week. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Okay, so we're starting May 31st. All right, so let's get right to today's video. Okay, so if you look at today's video, you'll see the topic as Delta State University. Okay, so the topic is Delta State University. So after Jamb UTME examination, some of my candidates came to meet me. They were asking me like, what's the next thing to do after Jamb UTME examination? So I told them that the next thing for us to do after Jamb UTME examination is a post-UTME examination. That's the next thing that awaits us after Jamb UTME examination. That post-UTME examination is the one that determines whether you will be admitted or not. All right, so it is not only your Jamb that determines, your post-UTME added to it determines whether you'll be admitted or not. But however, some schools doesn't write post-UTME. What they do is internal screening. That internal screening is the one they will do with your O-level results and your Jamb score. So they will screen you with your O-level result and your Jamb score. At the end, they will not know if you meet university criteria for admission. If you meet that, they will give you admission. But if you don't, you wait for next year basically. So that's how it is. So if you have a very low Jamb score and you want to gain admission, so I will assure you that we can be of help to you. Okay, so just message me on WhatsApp that you want to become one of our member, and I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Okay, so that if you don't want to go stress of writing Jamb next year again. Okay, so Delta State University writes post-UTME. Okay, so they write post-UTME. So what you will do is you register for the post-UTME, you prepare yourself, you go for the exam. So after the exam, so admission follows. All right, so I know you'll be asking when will the form, because the form is not out yet now. So the form is not out yet. So I know you'll be asking when will the form be out. So the form is coming out soon. So you are advised to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all the bell notification so that once the form is out, I will notify you guys that the form is out. Then you go and pick your form. So we can also help you pick the form for you. Okay, so we are here to help you, to serve you, to help you to ease the stress so that you don't have to go through stress of anything during your admission processes. So that's why it's advised you become one of our member. If you are one of our member on our WhatsApp group, so we'll definitely have to help you with everything. So the reason why we pick the form for you, it is so that when you have any challenges at hand, so we are there to help you solve the problem. All right, so that's what we'll do. okay, so that you don't have challenges, and at the end of the day you don't have somebody that will help you and solve the problem. Right? So that we are here to help you to solve any problem you are going through, as long as it concerns your Jamb admission. So once the form is out, I'll notify you guys on our YouTube. So it is advised you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications. That's one. So if you don't want to if you want to join us on our WhatsApp, also join us, because all the information will also be posted on our WhatsApp platform. All right, so you join us on our WhatsApp platform. It's very, very important you join us, because sometimes our news coming on what's on YouTube might be a bit late. All right, so it is better to join us so you can see benefits. And once you join us, you have access to ask me any question at any time, privately or in the platform, so that I'll be there to answer all of your questions. But when you're here asking me on YouTube, so it might take a bit time for me to respond to you on YouTube. So it is better if you join us on a WhatsApp session. All right, so I love you, and I'll be waiting for you guys on WhatsApp. So for those that don't want to join us, or for those that are not on WhatsApp yet, or for those that don't feel like joining us on WhatsApp yet, all right, so we love and appreciate you. Okay, subscribe and turn on all bell notifications, so that whenever I drop updates, all right, YouTube notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so until I see you guys again in my next video, don't forget I love and cherish every guys. Okay, so now we don't lose. All right, what we do is that we win. Now when we win, we keep winning. All right, I love you guys. Let's win, and we keep winning. All right, keep winning.